In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tasks in Google Calendar. Whether you're decluttering your schedule or just tidying up tasks that you've completed, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's navigate to the Google Calendar website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to your search engine. Type Google Calendar into the search bar and press enter. Once the search results populate, look for the link to Google Calendar. It should be one of the top results, if not the very first. Go ahead and click on that link to proceed. Next, you'll need to log into your Google account if you haven't done so already. Enter your email address in the sign-in field and click the Next button. This action will take you to the password entry screen. Enter your password and press Next again to access your Google Calendar. It's crucial to ensure you're using the right account, especially if you manage tasks on multiple accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your main calendar view. From here, it's important to switch over to the Tasks interface. To do this, locate the Switch to Tasks button. This button is typically located on the side panel of your Google Calendar interface. Click on it to transition your view from General Calendar Events to the Tasks interface. Now that you're viewing your tasks, it's time to find the specific task you want to delete. Navigate through your list of tasks, and once you locate the one you'd like to remove, take note of the three dots icon positioned beside the task. This icon is your gateway to more options related to each specific task. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu with options will appear. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the Delete Task option. Clicking on this will prompt you for a confirmation to ensure you really want to delete it. Once you're sure and have confirmed the deletion, the task will be removed from your list entirely. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete tasks from your Google Calendar. This method is really helpful for keeping your list organized and ensuring that you only focus on tasks that are relevant and up to date. Remember, maintaining an organized calendar is key to productivity and efficiency, so regularly cleaning up your task list is a good habit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more tips and tutorials.